Hey guys, welcome back to vlog number 9. Today we're starting out at Cars and Coffee. So we already have a lot of cars coming in right now. But you know, just a casual start. This is a lot better than last week, that's why I didn't film it. Technically vlog number 9 should be
Morning, Pop.
vlog number 9. Alright. So the Corvettes here. That's actually a really nice build. Look at that. Actually a little bit of a fan of that. Corvettes. Corvettes. That's not a 06, it's a C7. Oh, there's a 06. This is pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Another Corvette. It's a nice kit. If it's not a kit, I'm gonna be blown away. But I believe that is a kit. That's a V10. That's pretty cool. Another C7. Got the Mercedes and the BMWs. It's an M3 right there. It's a C63 AMG. C63S. The AMG package. Boom. Of course, you got the AMG exhaust tips. This is pretty cool. The exhaust on that's pretty cool. It's a nice M3. It's debadged though. So, you know. Huh. Very confused about what that is. Look at that. Yeah, it's different. I'll give it that. It's very different. Yeah, that's awesome. Especially in that lighting, for some reason, it just looks incredible. Look at that. Tell me that's not an incredible pick right there.
I think Hardcastle McCormick. That's what it was.
What is that? Look at the Cayman S right here, obviously. A lifted truck. Holy. Hey, no revving, please. I'm just kidding. Revving is a lot of fun. T28. TTI next to it. Hey, dude. First, we got the Imperial Works, the Giulia, the Chevelle. It's okay, Giulia. Surprisingly, this weather is really good for taking photos. Not photos. That's nice. That's pretty cool. Look at that for me. Look at that. That's pretty cool. This is the old one here. Got a couple old cars, but I guess I'll just go around through here. Ooh, and I got the Porsche 991.2.
Red light.
Look at this. This is Boxster. Got a fastback Mustang. Another fastback Mustang. 01. Got a 944. Got an Evo. Got 2 Challengers, opposite colors, but you know, still have the same scoop. Got a Charger and we got the GTX. Alright, that's a Plymouth, I think. Don't quote me, but I think it's a Plymouth. I got a green Challenger and then a Thunderbird. There's a wagon. It's pretty nice. Alright. As you do. Get the GTH Shelby here again. Just pretty decent looking car, I will admit. It's not a bad looking car. I got this here. Alright. I really like this though. Definitely a Ford guy, so seeing this is pretty cool. I don't know if I get the correct angle for you guys, but yeah, this thing is a little bit of a little teeny bit of angle, but you know, better than nothing. It's got the carboned out rear bumper, but this is pretty cool. It's, never mind that. It's old Porsche. That's pretty cool. Is that a 370? 370, I think. No, not carbon. Just a 370Z. Alright. Not just one. 280. My friend's 280 actually. Got just a regular Corvette here. GT 350. It's not an R, but it's really nice. Of course, we always have this one here. Never once have I not seen this one here. Always seen it here. Yeah, it's a nice Shelby GT. I'm gonna have to go back to that. That looks really nice. I'm gonna have to get pictures of that. It's a bit loud. NSX. Right. 11. S2000. Mini Cooper. Jay-Z. Tell me if I'm wrong, it looks like a Jay-Z. That looks like a Jay-Z, huh? I really like the women on this. The interior is decent. It's just a turbo, but you know, still is really nice. Really nice, really nice. It's made nope. Nope. Dang it. Paddles are on the actual steering wheel, not behind it. I was like, what? Dude, the interior is so basic. Look at that. There's like nothing on the steering wheel or anything. It's actually insane. Remember this one? I saw this like a year ago, I think. That? I so remember seeing that, but like a year ago. Here. Like right when this started to happen here. That's when I saw it. We got a manual Shelby. It's pretty cool. It's GT500, so get the GTH obviously. Another Corvette. Got an MG E-Type convertible. We got that. This Rolls Royce. I remember actually seeing this too. So around for 50K, I think you could have gotten this thing, but well, maybe this was another one, huh? Look at the diffuser. Look at that diffuser. But look at the rear bumper in general. I'm trying to get that too. Look at that. This is an old Nissan or something like that. I don't remember. Remember I had one in my game just like this, but it wasn't an extended wheelbase. Which means I don't know what this is. Kind of hard to get at the entire thing because it's so big. Like, those rims are not meant to be on this kind of car. Literally nothing in the interior indicates what it is. But, you know, it's not really going to stop me. Deluxe Coupe, Cougar, Boxster, or Boxster. Another E-Type. Just a regular V6. Oh no. Oh no. These nice old cars. That's pretty cool. The Slam truck. That's actually really nice. Z06.
Oh, okay.
Like, it's really nice. I like it. I really do like it, actually. Please go through here. Please go through here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Now we got some good footage rolling. which is, never a bad thing. Oh, look at that. It's pretty cool. It was a little bit high off the ground. Like, pretty high off. This is pretty nice, though. Just a turbo. Manual though, which I respect. 280. It's like a beige 280. Let's go through the next one, I think. How high is this truck? Like, that is really high off the ground. This is really low. Tell me that isn't insane. Go in the background. I have no idea what it is. Can we get it? Oh, it's just the Corvette. Got another truck, like lifted. No, I don't know if it's lifted, but the front is very low. I don't know. It's a nice beige color though. Beige looks good on it. I like it. Yep. Don't look bad. That's for sure. Yeah, I mean, it's a pretty good turn on, I will admit, but, that might be it, because it's pretty cold out. It's not too cold, obviously. I'm here. If it was too cold, I wouldn't. Well, I'd let you guys know if it was too cold, because I'd be like, yeah, guys, it's kind of cold. Should Ollie come in? Yeah, should Ollie. But I think I need to get some beauty shots and put them in the vlog at the end. Show off my favorite ones of the day. Got that coming. That sounds like an inline 6 or one. It's either inline 6 or one JZ. Not two JZs though. Let's get this though. The Cayman's leaving, I think.
This will all be good.
Carrera. Pretty nice. I remember getting. I don't even know if that was the same one. Oh, it is a different one. Look at the chrome on the outside of the rim, or like on the outside of the center lock of the rim. That's how you know that it's a. So going back there. All right. Oh, not bad. Not bad. This is pretty good. So yeah, I feel like that might be it for the walkarounds. Maybe I'll get some later, but yeah, I think it's time for some beauty shots. Apparently, I didn't see this 458 come in. But this is the Spider. Yep, this is the Spider with the carbon fiber paddles. It's pretty nice. Pretty nice. It's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I did not see this coming in though. Get some more pictures of it, but let the other cars go by. Oh, and there's, of course, right next to it is the 355 Spider. This is pretty nice. I don't even know if it even says 3. Oh yeah, it is right there. But other than that, I don't even know if it says 355 Spider. I think I really like that. That's pretty cool. Yeah. Oh, this is really nice. I like this. So these two just showed up. This is 675 LT and a 650S. And this one's like more of a frost white. It looks a little bit more gray in person, but we got that too. Apparently that's the actual one that I saw. The other one was one that looked just like it, but it's not the same one. But yeah, look at this. This is pretty nice. The MSO pretty much everywhere. This is nice. This is really nice. 675 LT. I haven't seen a white one before. It's really nice. I like it. Got another one coming in. Just a fastback. I like the color. The color is pretty nice. This one is actually, it looks really good like this. So it looks like more orange than it really is. It's really yellow. Oh my god, it looks matte. Why does it look so matte in the video? This is awesome. The lighting is incredible.
Yeah, right. I just said that. Like literally, I'm like, the lighting is perfection. Oh, I love filming the heat from that exhaust.
What is that? Oh, is it 370?
We're gonna get one of those things. I need to catch me. I will be blessed.
Oh, here comes a GTR.
GTR is gonna pull out here. I think.
We're gonna have 3 supercars here. Look at that. That's pretty nice. I actually really do like that combo. He's the only one that actually makes a good parking job. Others are just right in between the lanes.
Are you a vlogger?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.